Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing important MCQs on the topic crop protection and plant pathology set 2. It consists of 25 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down a score out of 25. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala BSc as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Foodtech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Water potential values of biological system are always options: A positive, B negative, C both positive and negative, D neutral. Correct answer B negative. Question number 2. Which of the following plant cell organelles is considered as semi-autonomous? Options: A endoplasmic reticulum, B mitochondria, C Golgi body complex, D lysosomes. Correct answer B mitochondria. Question number 3. Which one of the following is a biotrophic oomocyte? Options: A Phytophthora capsicii, B Pythium ultimum, C Phytophthora ramorum, D Plasmopara viticola. Correct answer B Pythium ultimum. Question number 4. In which of the following seed storage conditions the longevity of the seeds would be maximum? Options: A normal ambient storage, B moisture proof storage, C humidified with low temperature storage, D humidified storage only. Correct answer C humidified with low temperature storage. Question number 5. Which of the following is a symbolic nitrogen fixer? Options: A Clostridium, B Bradyrhizobium, C Azospirillum, D Azotobacter. Correct answer C Azospirillum. Question number 6. How many linkage groups are present in maize? Options: A 10, B 20, C 12, D 13. Correct answer A 10. Question number 7. Naked assay can be observed in which asomycete fungus? Options: A Ericife, B Claviceps, C Taphrina, D Uncinula. Correct answer A Ericife. Question number 8. Transfer of a portion of DNA from one bacterium to another by a bacteriophage is called? Options: A transformation, B conjugation, C transduction, D translocation. Correct answer C transduction. Question number 9. A crop variety enjoys legal protection in India provided it is? Options: A developed by a breeder in a government organizations, B registered with PPV and FR authority, C cultivated in a larger area, D released by any variety release committee. Correct answer B registered with the PPV and FR authority. Question number 10. The purity standard of certified seeds of carrot is? Options: A 95%, B 98%, C 97%, D 70%. Correct answer B 98%. Question number 11. Minimum standard of seed germination percentage for seed certification in maize is? Options: A 80%, B 85%, C 90%, D 75%. Correct answer D 75%. Question number 12. The hormone needed for cell division during germination of seed is? Options: A gibberellin, B abscisic acid, C cytokinin, D ethylene. Correct answer A gibberellin. Question number 13. Which one of the following viruses is transmitted by pollen? Options A. Tospovirus, B. Tobra virus, C. Prunus necrotic ring spot virus, D. Papaya ring spot virus. Correct answer D. Papaya ring spot virus. Question number 14. Which one of the following bacterial pathogenic genus is classified under gram-negative aerobic and microphilic rods? Options A. Acidovorax, B. Erwinia, C. Pantoe, D. Enterobacter. Correct answer D. Enterobacter. Question number 15. Chief functions of leaves are options A. Gaseous exchange and photosynthesis, B. Respiration and photosynthesis, C. Respiration and digestion, D. Respiration and gaseous exchange. Correct answer A. Gaseous exchange and photosynthesis. Question number 16. The first product to be tagged with GI in India is options A. Assam tea, B. Nilgiri tea, C. Darjeeling tea, D. Organic tea. Correct answer C. Darjeeling tea. Question number 17. Zine, a special kind of protein, is obtained from options A. Rami, B. Gore, C. Grass pea, D. Maize. Correct answer D. Maize. Question number 18. To estimate the genetic diversity of germplasm collection, a technique involving multivariate analysis based on ordination giving graphical representation is options A. D-square analysis, B. Principal component analysis, C. Cluster analysis, D. Linkage analysis. Correct answer A. D-square analysis. Question number 19. In a sexually reproducing organism, the chromosomes number in the progeny does not double even after fertilization. The reason is that the male and female gametes contain options A. Quarter set of somatic chromosomes, B. Half set of somatic chromosomes, C. Full set of somatic chromosomes, D. Inhibitor that destroys extra chromosomes. Correct answer D. Half set of somatic chromosomes. Question number 20. Cell theory was put forward by options A. Singh and Nicholson, B. Leeuwenhoek, C. Schleiden and Schwann, D. Calvin and Malvin. Correct answer C. Schleiden and Schwann. Question number 21. Who among the following scientists considered as father of Green Revolution in India? Options A. Dr. B.P. Pal, B. Dr. R.S. Paroda, C. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, D. Dr. Gurudev S. Kush. Correct answer C. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Question number 22. The seed dormancy can be detected by options A. Vigor test, B. Germination test, C. Tetrazolium test, D. Purity test. Correct answer B. Germination test. Question number 23. Cell wall of archaebacteria do not contain options A. Proteins, B. Glycoprotein, C. Polysaccharides, D. Peptidoglycans. Correct answer D. Peptidoglycans. Question number 24. A type of mutualistic relationship in which individuals of one species lives in close association with individual of another species is called options A. Symbiosis, B. Parasitism, C. Synthrophism, D. Commensalism. Correct answer D. Commensalism. Question number 25. Which of the following vascular which is transmitted by beetles? Options A. Bacterial wilt of tomato, B. Fungal wilt of banana, C. Bacterial wilt of banana, D. Fungal wilt of date palm. Correct answer D. Fungal wilt of date palm. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Test your 12th level prelims preparation with free championship test papers. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 12th level prelims to be held in 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for all degree level exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing sessions in this course. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.